Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I want to share with you guys my favorite protein smoothie recipe. Please relax and keep on watching. First and foremost, let's start with unboxing this blender because that's what we're gonna use for this recipe. Okay, this is from a brand called Topzee, and when you open the box, this is what you'll find, guys. Is this not so cute? Is this not so cute? So inside this, you'll find the recipe book and you'll find the manual for this blender. Okay, this recipe book has lots and lots of very cool smoothie recipes, and I'll make sure I try everything there one by one. Okay, it has both at the front and at the back. Then this is the instruction manual. It tells you the specification and all that you need to know about this blender. Moving on, these are the things inside this box. Okay, and I love the packaging. It makes sure that everything is properly secured in the box. This is the base of the blender and this is the power cord. Okay, I love the fact that it is long enough to go into your power outlet. This blender comes in color black and silver, which is so good, and it complements my kitchen style. Then this is a non-slip bottom. This keeps the blender from moving while you are blending something in it. Over here is the smoothie cup, which is very easy to clean. It is dishwasher safe and it makes this blender twist and go. Okay, I'll explain that later. This cup has a capacity of 700 ml, which is large enough to serve more than one person. Moving on, this is the blade holder. This blade holder has a 6-edge cross blade, which ensures ultimate smoothness of whatever you blend. It makes it easy to blend nuts and just it blends everything so perfectly. So whenever you're looking for a blender, make sure you go for the 6-edge blade. Now let's talk about the twist and go. This blender comes with a drinking lid, so with this you can just cover this whole blender with this lid and you can drink directly from this. You can also carry it around to the gym, to school, wherever you are going, okay, without needing to pour it into any other cup. This eliminates too much cleaning. The link to this blender will be in my description box with some discount code. Now to make this smoothie, we need frozen apple slices, we need frozen strawberries, we need frozen blueberries, and finally we need banana. I still have a secret ingredient, okay, just keep watching. So into my blender, I'm going to pour in all my ingredients. Guys, I prefer frozen fruits for this recipe, but if you don't have frozen fruit, just use your fruit and just throw in some ice. So here I'm putting in my banana, and next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. Okay, I also poured in half cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk if that's what you prefer, or you can just use ordinary water. Now make sure you don't add too much to the blender. Why mine looks like it's a lot is because these fruits are all frozen, so once they melt down, the quantity will reduce. So now we are going to blend everything. Blending in this Topzee blender is very easy. Just press and twist to lock and it starts blending. It ensures a hand-free operation. When you're blending, make sure you don't exceed 60 seconds at a time. Okay, this blender has a voltage of 120 volts and 1000 watts, which is really strong for a blender. This blender is not loud like some other blenders. I'm gonna pause and let you guys hear the noise from this blender. Since I got this blender, I've been making smoothie on a daily basis because it is very easy to clean. Like I don't even clean anything at all. I just drink directly from the cup and I just rinse the cup. It is very easy to maintain and it makes me want to drink smoothie every day. Now this is what it's looking like, guys. Just imagine the smoothness of this smoothie. It blended everything so well. This smoothie is very good if you are on a weight loss journey because it has high protein, which will keep you full for a very long time. Okay, I love this recipe, that's why I shared it with you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure you check out the link to this blender. Some of you come inbox and you ask me, oh, can you recommend a blender and all that. So I'm recommending this one. Okay, I've tried it and it works well. So if you are looking for a smoothie blender, make sure you get yourself one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, Bye and Merry Christmas.